Next is, what are the conclusions drawn from monohybrid and dihybrid cross? What are the results of Mendel's monohybrid and dihybrid cross? Conclusion that is drawn from monohybrid cross, there are two laws, that is law of dominance and law of segregation. Law of dominance says that each character is controlled by separate units called factors. अब जिनको हम जीन्स कहते हैं, मेंडल ने उन जीन्स को क्या नाम दिया था? फैक्टर्स. द टर्म गिवन टू द जीन्स बाय मेंडल वाज फैक्टर्स. Means each character is controlled by the units called factors or genes, and these genes, they occur in pairs. All the genes, they occur in pairs, and in a dissimilar or hybrid pair of genes, the character which is able to express itself is called dominant, and the gene which is not able to express itself is called recessive. For example, ये हमने मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस किया था. जैसे क्या कहा? कैरेक्टर्स आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय जीन्स, एंड द जीन्स they occur in pairs. To control inheritance of each character, we have a pair of genes, and in a dissimilar or hybrid pair, this is the dissimilar or hybrid pair. तो इसका phenotype क्या था? Tall था. It means capital G T, it has expressed itself, so it is the dominant gene, and small t, it is unable to express itself in the presence of this capital T, so this is called recessive gene. In dissimilar or hybrid pair, the gene which is able to express itself is called dominant, and gene which is not able to express itself is called recessive. And the second conclusion from the monohybrid cross is that the law of segregation means during gamete formation, the pair of genes, they segregate. Segregate means they separate from each other in such a way that each gamete receives only one gene of the pair. जैसे यहाँ पे जब भी हमने gamete formation की, the pair of genes, they segregate, they separate from each other. This was the pair of gene. जब गैमीट फॉर्मेशन हुई, they separate हो गए ये एक दूसरे से, तो हर गैमीट में एक ही जीन आया. जैसे ये सेपरेट हुआ तो यहाँ उसी तरह से when the gamete formation took place here, तो क्या हुआ? The pair of genes separate, तो यहाँ पे दो तरह के गैमीट बने, और उनमें एक with capital T and one with small t. Now, the conclusion drawn from the dihybrid cross is the law of independent assortment, and this law states when two pair of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of character is independent of another pair of character. ये था हमारा डायहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. यहाँ पे वी हैव टेकन टू पेयर ऑफ जीन्स, and these two pair of genes, they segregate during gamete formation. So segregation of one pair of gene is independent of another pair of gene. Suppose this pair of gene fails to segregate, तो ये नहीं रुकेगा इसके लिए. they will segregate, they will separate from each other independently. So these are the conclusions drawn from the monohybrid and the dihybrid cross.